Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. To create these earrings you will need 14 round crystals 4mm, 14 round crystals 6mm, 8 round crystals of other color 6mm, 8 bicon crystals 8mm, 4 pearls 6mm, 6 pearls of 8mm, earring hoops, then eye pins, head pins, round nose pliers and cutters. We take our 8mm bead and the head pin. Then we take our round nose pliers, we bend the pin, we cut a bit shorter this pin, and we create the loop. We take eye pin, we open the loop of the eye pin here, and we attach our first bead to this loop. Next step, what we need to do, we need to take our head pins and go inside to all of the beads what we have, like crystals and bicons and pearls. Now we bend all these head pins in every bead. We don't need such a long tail here. We need to leave around 1 centimeter, not more. And we do it with every bead. Just cut the tail. We take round nose pliers and we start to create loops for every bead. We can start to create the earring. I have here one ready. We take our eye pin with the bead and we start. We take one pearl of 8mm, one pearl of 6mm, again 1 8, 1 6. Then we take 8mm bicon, 6mm round crystal, again 1 bicon, 1 6mm crystal, again 1 bicon, 1 6mm crystal, 1 bicon, 1 crystal. Then we take 1 crystal of other color of 6mm, again 1 color, other color, and 1 color, other color, big beads from the beginning here, and then you go slowly to the smaller beads. and in the end I put all crystals of 4 millimeters. To finish the earrings, we take one crystal of 6 millimeter and one crystal of 4 millimeter. And then, before you cut the eye pin, you need to be sure that there is no holes between them. You just bend this pin like this. You cut extra. And you create the loop. We take our hoop, we open it, and we close it. Our earrings are ready. You can create something like this. This is the same technique what we used. And one more idea for you. With the same technique you can create something like this with gemstones and crystals.